Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways how you can add and keep zeros in front of numbers when entering inside of Microsoft Excel. By default, when you enter numbers into an Excel spreadsheet, it will do its best at auto-formatting. When I enter a number, it recognizes that and formats it as such. But when I need to enter a number like 0035, it assumes that we don't need those extra zeros and gets rid of them automatically. A super quick trick here is to type an apostrophe at the beginning of the number, which formats the cell to text. So I'll type apostrophe 0035. Now you'll see that it has kept my entry how I want it to appear. You will get an error notification here though, telling you that it's a bit confused. You can either ignore it or choose the yellow triangle and choose ignore error. The other way to do this is to set up the field ahead of time to text by selecting the cell and then choosing from the format dropdown text. You can then enter your numbers in and again choose to ignore the error if you want. And that's how you add and keep zeros in front of numbers inside of Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.